if you have an e-commerce website like this and you already installed a chatbot which is from Freshchat, and you want to track how many people actually start conversion, okay? So this kind of particular, like, why you need to track that? Okay, I just want to give you a walkthrough. For example, if someone visit one specific product but he is not sure about and they have few questions to you, how they get solved, so they actually open the live chat that you integrated and they try to talk about, because this particular visitor are more important for you, because who actually just open your website and close, it is not good visitor, because somehow this kind of visitor don't have any interest about your product, but who already try to contact with you and interested to learn more about your product, so that's why he actually want try to contact with you. Okay, so that's why this kind of part visitor is important for you. And if you see the data in your analytics, how many people visit your website, how many people they started to session, and how many people actually started to contact with you. So if you see a huge number of person actually started to talk about but they didn't purchase yet, so you can easily make a remarketing campaign about that product, so you can easily make a remarketing audience. Okay, so in this video I will show you how you can set up this kind of event in your analytics dashboard. Okay, and I will use Google Tag Manager because this is the great way to set up any kind of conversion tracking. Okay, but this video will be pretty critical or technical. If you don't know how to solve it, and if you find an expert who will instantly solve your problem, then you can feel free to contact me. I have more than 6 years of working experience. I will help you. Okay, so I am also a top rated freelancer on Upwork. If you also familiar with Upwork, you can book a session on Upwork with me. And if you are not familiar, then you can book a session on my website, and I will give that link on this video description. Okay, let back to this topic, how you can install. Okay, first of all, you need to open a Google Tag Manager account and you need to connect Google Tag Manager code inside of your website backend. Whatever website are you using, just you have to connect Google Tag Manager with your website, and then you need to open a Google Analytics. So for example, I am connecting Google Analytics, so that's why we should open Google Analytics, and you have to make a account on them and you have to create a container on them. For example, this is data test that I want to use that one for this video. So we just need this measurement ID. If you don't have to see, if you want to see your measurement ID, then you will go to the data stream from the admin section. Okay, so in your data stream section you will see your measurement ID. So this is actually your measurement ID. You have to just copy that measurement ID. Okay, so this is my website. My website is connected to our website. This is Google Tag Manager and it's connected. Okay, let's go to preview. And if you are not so technical, guys, I will give you a quick solution end of the video. Just you should wait, or you can check out the video description. Okay, so as you can see, our website is open on there. Okay, let's try to start messaging. Give email and send whatever you want, and go back the tag assistant. Here is nothing, so nothing actually is happening. Okay, so it's not happening here, so that's why we need to input a JavaScript code to our Google Tag Manager container. So where you will get, okay, so this is the listener code. Just need to copy that one and go back again and go hit new and tag configuration, choose the HTML and paste that code, and the trigger will be all pages, and then save. Just keep the name anything that you love. Now let's go to preview. So now you can see when I sending the message, now we are getting in our Google Tag Manager, this is the event, okay, and the data layer of course. Okay, so it's everything is working fine, so we can use that one to install the tracking. Okay, so you can see it came from Freshchat event. Okay, and keep in mind when you go on preview mode, then don't wrong with your input the wrong address. I previously tried to use the wrong website address, so that's why it wasn't work, and now it's working fine. Okay, so when you have done, then we need to make the trigger first. Okay, so first of all we want to trigger that event. Okay, so let's go to Tag Manager, and everything you will get inside of my product. So I will give the link, just don't forget to check. First of all, I just want to delete the all previous trigger and make new one. Choose the custom event and paste that name, and then save the trigger. We can give a Freshchat event. Okay, exact same name we can also input, and okay, perfect. So our trigger is okay. Now we need to make the event. So go to tags, go to Google tag. First of all we need to make the Google tag. So Google tag, we need to input the measurement ID and we need to paste on there. Okay, and then save it. So you can say it's a Google tag, and then we need to install our analytics event. So measurement ID, we can search our Google tag. So we can also copy and paste the Google tag ID from the measurement ID. Okay, this is your measurement ID, so you can paste. So we found the Google tag. Okay, so event name, so we can send in Google Analytics the event name called Freshchat open. Okay, so in you can see in, so yep, here you can see this is chat open. So we can make, this is our event name, so we can send it to our Google Manager. So we can modify the name with underscore because this is the Google Tag Manager friendly, and just select the trigger. Okay, so the trigger we have selected, it will all the everyone when it will fire for, but we want to be specific. We just want to send the event when chat opened and when the message user send the message. Okay, so that's why we need to make another specific with that variables. So this is actually called a variable, so we can copy the event type. This is the data layer variable, and we can go to tag manager and we can be specific with our trigger. So we don't want to track all the event, we need some event, and the variables, here it is, fresh event type, and contains we can select it equal, and that equal text will copy from here. Just chat widget opened it, we can paste exact same here, and we okay, then save it. So we have done. Freshchat open, save. Okay, let's go to preview. Open the website and then do the activity with that and go back. Here you can see our tag has fired on that time, and if we go over and reports and real time overview, and here you can see our data and Freshchat open is already came here. So this event you will be see on your Google Analytics, and you can easily track your event like this. So as like a same, you can create another event for when someone send the message for that event. So like this, you can see this is when someone send the message. Okay, just you need to make the new trigger, but don't worry, if you want to make every two event for a specific tracking method like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, etc., then you can go on my website called Nasim Official. Then if you scroll down a little bit, then you will find this product. So this is Freshchat tracking setup. You instantly within few clicks, you just need to import the GTM container. Everything you will get ready, done for you setup within $59. So for every social media tracking picture already I have made with my expertise, so you can easily got the GTM template and you can easily upload it on your admin, and then you can import the GTM container. Okay, so also with that setup I will give you free support, so feel free to ask me any question. If you have any query, you can comment. See you on the next one. If you found this video useful, you can hit the thumbs up and you can subscribe.